Hello, it's Monday and a new week, and the goal for this week is to continue with the door. Robert is learning to weld, well, we both are, and finishing the frames for the windows. So that's a lot of stuff to do.
Ooh, that's a good shot. Wait. Oh yeah, right in the sun. Now I need to prepare the steel a bit. I have tried to kind of. These are the very first welds to just get somehow a clear line. Play with the settings on how many amperes I need. And now I want to clean the other side a bit and a few of these pieces and these pieces and try to make two pieces stick together. Maybe something like this. So the first weld in here, well, I think it sticks to both sides sometimes. Otherwise, long way to go. Kira is assembling the window blinds. I think it's called blinds. So
The thing around the windows.
this thing, so the window's here, inside of the boat is here, and I have to say this starts to look pretty tacky. This is actually some slanted construction because it's not super perpendicular. This is a perpendicular part.
It almost has a little tiny angle. Should have a little tiny angle.
Okay.
So the hour of truth, is that an English saying, is coming when I just go up and put it into the window. And we see how well it fits.
That being said, for 4 windows, these things are already constructed by Kira and Anna, and they fit amazingly well. So this is good stuff. Basically, I'm trying to learn to weld, doing fun stuff, and Kira is working.
Yeah. So let's see if that fits.
Alright, starboard side, nav station. This is the second worst custom job window on the boat. Okay.
Okay, and there's this 4 skål.
Alright, looking snappy. So,
It's a bit tight.
if I understand it correctly, the point was to get it snug here and snug here.
And I'd say that's super perfect.
I think you reached your goal. That looks
Geil, oder?
absolutely brilliant. Well done.
It's a bit like high here. Why? Some isolation.
The insulation is probably flexing back. That's okay. Yeah, I mean, we'll screw it in, glue it in.
Screw glue. And now the question is just how we fix the sides.
how those side panels will be screwed and glued. Yeah,
And there's a gap here. You see?
there shouldn't be.
Well, you know why?
Yes.
Yeah. It's impossible.
Measure twice, cut once.
No, not this
Forget
time.
what I said.
There's some reason why you said it, because I'm really good in not in cutting too much.
Yeah, me too.
But if that would have been longer, you would not have been able to fit that in.
Ah,
Because it's behind this.
yeah, I see.
I even thought about that.
Great. Yeah, no, I'm perfectly. I think
Oh,
this
but that
is
is nice, isn't it?
mega.
See?